Hi everyone and welcome to Part Modeling in Solidworks. Today we're going to take up exercise 10. So let's head to part, double click, hover over our right plane, right click, and sketch. Let's head up to our sketch tab, click straight slot. Now I'm going to make a straight slot here, a straight slot here, and lastly, a straight slot here. Hitting escape. Now I'm going to hit S on my keyboard, go down, and select Trim Entities. I'm going to trim this slot and click OK. Trim this, trim. Let's trim this. Select OK. Trim and trim. And trim. And OK. Now, I'm going to my sketch tab and click line. I'm going to make a line here. Double click to deselect the line of chains. A line here also. And hit escape. I'm going to click S on my keyboard again and select Trim Entities. Hold my left mouse and slide. Trim here and trim here. And trim here and here. I'm going to select this construction geometry. Hold Control and click our origin and make midpoint. Now I want this endpoint. Hold Control and this origin to be horizontal. Same as this center point. Hold Control, click our origin, and make horizontal. Now, I'm going to my sketch tab again and click straight slot. I'm going to make a slot here. Hitting escape. Now, let's add some relations and dimensions on our sketch. Let's head up to Sketch tab and click Smart Dimension. Now I want this arc to have a dimension of 15. Hitting enter. And this arc to have a dimension of 15 also. And this arc to have a dimension of 7.5. Hitting escape. I'm going to click this arc, hold Control, click this arc, and make equal. I'm going to my sketch tab again and click Smart Dimension. I'm going to click this center point and this construction geometry. I want this to have a distance of 40. Thanks for reaching this point in the video. Inviting you all to join us in Facebook. Our group is Solidworks Users Philippines. And LinkedIn, we are Solidworks Users Philippines. See you there! Notice there are changes in our sketch. Let's hit escape. I'm going to click this line and hold Control, click this arc, and make tangent. I'm going to click this line again and make vertical. I'm going to click this line, hold Control, click this arc, and make tangent. Click this line again and make vertical. Click this line and make vertical again. Now let's click this line again, hold Control, click this arc, and make tangent. I want these two lines to be horizontal, so I'm going to click this line, hold Control, click this line, and make horizontal. Again, I want this point and this origin to be horizontal. Hitting enter. Now I'm going to click this arc, hold control, click this line, and make tangent. As you can see, some of the relations were deleted because we added dimensions and we trimmed some of our sketch. So now I'm going to click this center point, hold control, click our origin, and make horizontal. I'm going to my sketch tab again and click smart dimension. Now I'm going to click this center line and this arc. I want this to have a dimension of 20. I'm going to click this center line and this center point of our arc, and I want this to have a distance of 70. Hitting enter. I want this line and this line to have a distance of 50. Click OK. This line and this line to have a dimension of 30. Hit OK. Notice our sketch is now fully defined. So let's go to Features tab. Click Extruded Boss Base. I want the depth to be 20. Hit enter and click OK. I'm going to my hole wizard, and the hole type is going to be legacy. The type is going to be counterboard. The diameter is going to be 10. The C-bore diameter is going to be 20. And the C-bore depth is going to be 10. The end condition is through all. Let's go to positions and click this face. Now I'm going to my feature manager tree and twirl down. Go to sketch on boss extrude and click show. Now I'm going to select this point, and this point. Hit OK. And congratulations for completing exercise 10.